In this guide, I'll show you how to delete and remove user accounts on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is select an account you don't intend to delete and sign in. So once you've done that and you're on the home screen, what you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then you want to select users and accounts from settings. And then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom where delete users is. And then you can scroll to the right and select the account you want to delete. Now, when you select the account, it does give you a warning. It says, if you delete this account, their saved data, screenshots, and video clips will also be deleted from your PS5, so you can go ahead and back that up if you'd like. But not only that, the PSN that's associated with that account, you'll no longer be able to access the games that they have purchased unless you re-edit to your PS5. So I'm going to go ahead and press yes in this case. And in some cases, you will get this error that says you can't disable console sharing and offline play on this PS5 from the following users because I haven't signed into that account in a while. Now I'm going to go ahead and press OK, and it's going to ask again, are you sure you want to go through with this? I'm going to go to yes. Now you can have a read through that if you'd like, and you'll notice it's now gone, and you've officially deleted that user from your PS5.